Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name's Ed Miles and this is the new high racer glove for ladies. So we've been asked for years for a high-end sports glove specifically designed for women's hands. Now, as most of you know, women's hands are obviously smaller than men's hand, as you can tell by the diminutive size of the glove in this hand. I can't put it on. But what I will also tell you is they have different ratios between their fingers and their palms. So they've got smaller palms, longer fingers. So you do need to change the whole cut of the glove to make it fit women's hands better. This is as good as the men's version, so you are not getting anything that the men aren't getting and vice versa, so you're going to get everything you need. So we've got a full cow grain leather back, full protection, you've got a wrist protector on the top and a small wrist protector here as well, so you're getting loads of protection in the bottom half of the glove. If you come up top, you've got a carbon knuckle, and if you look underneath, that's raised, you've got a carbon protector on the back as well. Carbon protects up the finger and double layer leather. You've got an attached small finger, so again if you have a low side it's not going to pull your finger back and tear off, it's going to give you the protection you need in that area. Let's come to the business end, the bit that always hits the ground first, the palm of the glove. If you open up, this is real kangaroo leather, this isn't a mulch of bits and bobs, this is a proper full grain kangaroo hide leather glove, so you're getting all the protection, all the feel you need on the palm of the glove. Obviously kangaroo's thinner than cow and it gives you more protection per thickness, so it's nice and thin on the palm. If you come down to the scaphoid area, you've got two scaphoid sliders made out of carbon, so if you do hit the ground, your hand's going to slide away, put no undue pressure on your scaphoid or on your collarbone. Coming under this small flap that says RACER on it, you've got that full wrist restraint, so you've got no problems with that glove coming off in the event of an accident. You're sliding along the track, it's not going to pull off, and then finally the wrist closure down the bottom. So that is a full 100% race glove, as good as a men's glove, for women specifically. It's got the correct ratio between the palm and the finger, and it's just going to work perfectly. Available in this beautiful white colour. I would suggest you get into the shop and try it on. And remember, as with all RACER gloves, you're getting a 3-year warranty. This, again, is unheard of in any other glove range that I've heard of. 3 years warranty on a glove is absolutely fantastic. So get down to your local dealer, try it on. For any more information, please go to tranam.co.uk or check out our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.